Automatic soil moisture control. Whenever we go out of town for few days, we always used to worry about our plants, as they need water on regular basis. So here we are making an automatic plant irrigation system, using Arduino, which automatically provides water to our plants when soil moisture become low. In this plant watering system, soil moisture sensor checks the moisture level in the soil, and if moisture level is low, then Arduino switches on a water pump to provide water to the plant. Water pump gets automatically off when system finds enough moisture in the soil. This system is very useful in farms, gardens, home, etc. Here is the connection diagram of this project. Soil moisture sensor has 3 pins: VCC, ground, and output. We have connected the VCC pin with the 5-volt pin of Arduino, ground pin with the ground pin, and output pin with pin number 7 of Arduino. Relay module works on 5-volt power supply. It has 3 pins: VCC, ground, and input. Connect the VCC pin with 5-volt pin of Arduino, ground pin with the ground pin, and input pin with pin number 11 of Arduino. DC water pump has 2 terminals, positive and negative. We are using a 9-volt battery to run the DC water pump. Connect the red wire of pump with the normally open pin of the relay. Connect the black wire of pump with the negative terminal of the battery. Connect the common pin of relay with the positive terminal of the battery. This is the code of our project. Sensor state is an integer type variable. It will be used in the program to store the status of input pin. Initially we have set its value to 0. Void setup is a function we want to run once, as soon as the program starts running. In this project, we will give high or low signals to the relay connected at pin number 11. So we will make pin number 11 an output pin. We will read the status of the sensor connected at pin number 7. So we will make pin number 7 an input pin. Void loop. This function continues to execute the code written inside it over and over unless we reset the Arduino hardware board. Sensor state equals digital read 7. Digital read is a function which will read the status of pin number 7 and store its value in a variable sensor state. If sensor state value is low, then Arduino will give a high signal at its pin number 11, and relay will turn on. It shows that soil moisture is low, so water pump will turn on. If sensor state value is high, then Arduino will give a low signal at its pin number 11, and relay will turn off. It shows that soil is moist, so water pump will turn off. Now, we will write a code on this software. After writing the code, we will save our project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, or the code is incorrect, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then, we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now, to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Now we will assemble our hardware. First of all, we will take a PP3 battery connector and a DC water pump. Connect the black wire of PP3 battery connector and DC water pump with each other. Now do the tinning on the copper wires. Cover the joint with insulation tape. Now connect any one red wire with the common pin of the relay, and other red wire with the normally open pin of the relay. Now connect a red wire at the VCC pin of relay, black wire at its ground pin, and green wire at its signal pin. Now we will take a soil moisture sensor module. We will connect a red wire at its VCC pin black wire at its ground pin, and a yellow wire at its output pin. Now connect both the red wires with the 5-volt pin of Arduino, black wires with the ground pin, yellow wire with pin number 7, and green wire with pin number 11 of Arduino. Now we will power up our project and test its functionality till the sensor is dipped in the water. Water pump is off. When we dip the sensor in the dry soil, the pump turns on. Pump will turn off automatically when soil is moist. We hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help in your project or to clear your doubts, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To purchase the items used in the video, you can visit our website www.erolltech.com. You can order us on our WhatsApp number also. Thank you so much.